Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick showing and demo of the diamond press. And this is called Large Sentiments. And here's the instruction sheet. So you can see it comes with a large word and then the small word that can go across. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11 combinations that you can make with these dies, and then you can probably mix the words up a little bit differently if you want to, or maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Happy warmest? Nope, probably not. Happy so much? No, probably not. So then with all of the diamond press kits, you get the diamond press folder, which I'm not able to use because I don't have the appropriate size diamond press machine. And then you have the die. So here are the large dies: thanks, wishes, happy, you make me smile, way to go. And then you have you and what's that one? Stay strong. Stay strong right here. And then you have the words that go across. So I have some card bases made up so that we can do just a couple of demos. So I have the graduation hat, so I think you already know which direction we're going with that. We will use way to go. And then I have this one here in these blue colors, and maybe we will just, because I want to use this metallic and then the light blue and maybe some pearlized if it comes down to it. I think I want to do a word that's going to be really easily recognizable. So I think I'll do happy in the metallic, and then come across here with for you. And you know, I'm not sure how that metallic is going to work out, so we'll play around with it, and we have some backup options to try out. So let's just start by cutting the first one, the way to go, and I'm going to do that one in pink and black. So I think I want to have a black shadow layer and then a pink layer on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and just cut these twice, and instead of running it through once like you would do in your automatic machines, because I'm using my Gemini Media over here. So there's our first word. Way to go. And then we'll do our second layer of it. Go ahead and put this together. We will use our tape pen. Oh, dropped it and now it's not rolling. So we just want to angle this slightly. So now we have the shadow layer. Now that was pretty super simple. Now we just have a quick and easy graduation card using these Diamond Press large sentiment dies. And then let's come over here with our second idea, our second card that we wanted to do. So we want to try the word happy. We want to cut it from this metallic cardstock. So let's just run that through our Gemini MIDI. Okay, so that stands out pretty well. You can actually really see the words. And then instead of going with the blue, I think I want to do the white. Our pokey tool. Okay, so then we have happy for you. So now that I have that all together and done, I think I'm just going to go with the more conservative powder blue instead of the metallic. This is a pearlized blue, so it's actually really pretty as well, and it's not just super plain, but I think I'm going to like that better than the green happy. We'll save that for a more green colored card somewhere down the line. I love that metallic paper, but it is truly hard to pull off. But since we're here for the dies, the one point I would like to make is that, or we're here for the Diamond Press dies, that the lettering is so bold and big and pretty that you can actually use, you know, your you can use these words. I mean, you know, the metallic, you didn't lose anything using that, so that's good to know. So then we have happy for you, glue down. As I look at the instruction sheet, one thing I noticed is that I'm using two light colors, the white and the powder blue, and they're using more bold colors, bold on bold. So that is a thought, something to consider. I'm sorry, bold on pastel. So that's something to consider when using these dies, is just making sure that all of your colors stand out. So we just have a couple of super quick and simple graduation cards using the Diamond Press large sentiment dies. I purchased these myself on Home Shopping Network during one of the recent craft days. If you are interested in purchasing them, this was just a quick demo to give you some inspiration on how you could potentially use the large sentiment dies by Diamond Press. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, and also the notifications button so that you can be notified when we do additional videos. Once again, this is just Crafty Chantel, and thanks for joining me.